I want to quickly compare these two combo blenders. This is the Magic Bullet, and then we have the Nutribullet Smart Sense. Now, the Nutribullet Smart Sense is at a higher price point. It also has a very fancy sensor that will automatically sense what food you have in it and adapt accordingly. So this is more expensive, and I'm not going to use the auto mode on it while I show it to you now. I just want to show you how well these both work, how easy they are to clean, and how loud they are. Let's go. Now they both come with blend cups. The Nutribullet has this one and one with a handle, and then it has these very impressive blades. All of this can be tossed in the dishwasher, and it just twists closed just like that, really easy. The Magic Bullet has the same concept, just a smaller cup, simpler blades. And remember, these blades do not have to be sharp. It's all about how well the machine spins them that will really blend the food. And these are not as sharp as the Nutribullet. Still really, really nice, solid all around. Again, just twist right on. And then they both have pitchers, and this is where they differ quite a bit. The Nutribullet pitcher is a standalone pitcher. It has its own built-in blades. It is quite large. It can hold up to 64 ounces of liquid. And then it has this really nice top. This opener pops closed. The entire lid will pop down. It has silicone, so there's no way anything will spray around the sides. And it has this really nice twist top opening in the top. So if you want to jam the food down or put anything in extra, that's how you can do that. And then whether you're using the big pitcher or the small cup, they really do just go down. You got to figure out where they will go all the way flush, and then they just lock into place. And now it's fully on. As for the Magic Bullet, it's much different. The pitcher is only 48 ounces. It has a very, very simple lid. You do have a twist open in the middle, and you do have the silicone on the sides. But to get to the spout, you do have to remove the lid. But the main thing is that it uses the exact same blade as the cup. So you will need to twist that off and twist it on the pitcher. And it also just twists and locks into place. Now let me show you how well these blend some ice. Now I've added 16 ounces and 2 cups of ice to both of these. With the Nutribullet, I can turn it on and it actually will give me a variety of levels. I can start at level 1 and go all the way up to level 5. With the Magic Bullet, I only have low or high. I'm going to have these both go on their highest level and have them both go for the same period of time. Let's see how it goes. And that was 20 seconds, and you can definitely see the difference. The Nutribullet is basically just turned it into cold water. It has fully pulverized that ice. You can see just the smallest amount still in there. Whereas the Magic Bullet is more of a slushy. You can still see all of the ice in it. Definitely didn't blend it as well. Now, I have used both of these for making smoothies, and I would say that while the Nutribullet gives me a much smoother smoothie, and I love using the auto mode, I love the small size of the Magic Bullet, and it still does a really great job. So don't dismiss the Magic Bullet because it's not as powerful as the Nutribullet. It still has its pros, specifically that it is a great price point, it is a small size, and it gives you the options to use a pitcher and a cup. Now, the last thing I want to test is the sound. I'm going to test the sound as to what it is closer to the camera, as most people are not putting their head right next to the machine. It's usually a couple feet away. So first off, I'll turn on the Nutribullet at level 1. And then here's the Nutribullet at level 5. Now we'll do the same thing with the Magic Bullet on low, and then the Magic Bullet on high. So the Magic Bullet is notably quieter, and I definitely noticed the difference when I was running them, as I wanted to step away further when the Nutribullet ran. Whereas the Magic Bullet running, I could be working right next to this. It's just not as loud. Those few points difference in decibels makes a huge difference. So if you are looking for a quieter, smaller machine that might not be as powerful but still does a fantastic job, get the Magic Bullet. And if you are looking for a super powerful machine with an extra smart sensor as well, check out the Nutribullet. This is a fantastic device. It's just a bit louder. I hope this video helped.